guys, I just had my fourth shower for the day. My fourth shower! And it's not even 3 p.m. Like, it's not even 3 p.m. Like, it's not. The weather is hot, oh. It's hot. So I woke up this morning. I said I wanted to make creamy, milky donuts. Milky, creamy, filling donuts. Creamy, filling donuts. But I kept watching tutorial videos yesterday. Since yesterday, I'm watching. Let me tell you where scares me. The kneading. They say you leave it 1 hour with this hot weather. So are you telling me I'll bake? I'll not leave the kitchen. I'll bake. Come back, bake, come back, close it 1 hour. Come back, close it 30 minutes so that the yeast will come out. But anyway, I said I'll try again on Saturday. See if I can get a hang of it. Because I still need to watch more tutorial videos. I don't want to waste time in that kitchen. So I ended up just mixing cookies, you know. Then I was now craving something quick and like fast so I can just cook and leave the kitchen. And I now realized I'm actually craving noodles. I love noodles. I can eat noodles every time. But I want something different. Like I want to taste something different. So I decided to make chili garlic noodles. Then I opened my fridge. Apparently, no chili, no garlic. Let's say chili. Yeah. No oyster sauce, no soy sauce, none of that stuff. And that's what they used to make it. So I ordered them and they just came. So let's do some unboxing. So we have the soy sauce, the light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. I'm gonna just leave premium out of this. Then sesame oil. So yeah, these are the 3 holy grail. I got some garlic. This is not like the one I don't know, I call it one bud of garlic. You know the foreign one where it's all together. This is like the tiny one that I selected separately. And then it's 200 naira, but then like it was this much that helped me get it when he was coming. So the guy now, like the person I was selling said, oh, one is 200 naira. I was like, one piece of garlic. This is what I was thinking. I was thinking he meant this. I'm like, even though, is that right? So after a while and the call cut, and I realized that this was kind of what he was trying to. And I ended up ordering 5 of it. I don't eat garlic all the time, so just know that you're going to be seeing a lot of garlic dishes moving forward. I mixed up chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to put them in the oven. They'll be baking while we focus on the garlic noodles. So let's set the parchment paper. Time to pop them in the sorry, it's time to pop them in the oven. So I'm using chicken breast. Oh, this thing cut up so nicely. Can you see? It's kind of like brown, but because I added cocoa, the weather is hot, very hot. It's okay. Let's cook how we are. Thomas, you are. Now, because I'm using like the other flavor, and I want the noodles to have like its own taste as well, I'm going to use the spice of the chicken. It's time for the ultimate test, the taste test. Hopefully, I'm not tired of eating since I've spent all my time and energy cooking. Hmm. Mm. It has that garlicky. Mm. Mm. And this chicken skin that I was telling you about. Look at it now. If I ever meet someone that tells me they don't like chicken skin, I'll never understand. I'm going to need some privacy to really enjoy this meal. Just some time alone. Nothing too serious.